Welcome to Healcerion. This short video will show you how to use the Sonon ultrasound. The first thing you need to do is ensure that you have the Sonon app installed on your tablet or phone. Turn on the Sonon ultrasound and then connect your device to the Sonon Wi-Fi. From the home screen, you can enter a new patient. The work list will only populate if you are connected to a PACS. So go ahead and choose Patient List. Tapping on the plus sign will bring up a new patient registration form. You must enter a first and last name and ID number to create a file. Once you've finished inputting the information, press the Save button. Now a new file has been created for that patient in your patient list. You can now select the scan icon and begin your exam. The screen will now populate with the information you provided, with the patient name and ID number. It'll show the network status, the battery status of the Sonon device, as well as the orientation marker, which shows right to left. The other side indicates the date and time, the operator and hospital name, the mechanical index and thermal index values, the preset that has been selected, frames per second, and the frequency you're using. The imaging controls are shown here on the screen. The bottom left has the freeze and unfreeze icon, with the save image icons above it to save an image or a cine loop. The top bar has an end exam or return to patient list. In the middle, it shows the status of the image, whether it's frozen or live. And number 3 shows a sub-menu. These 3 dots open up another menu bar. Once that menu bar is opened, you'll see this is the preset list that you can choose from. Underneath, there's an area where you can save a new preset, move to the quick viewer, go to the setting menu, or end the exam. Lastly, in the bottom corner, there's a small icon. This will expand the image to full screen and eliminate the imaging parameter menu. The grayscale imaging has 3 menus for image optimization. This first list contains gain, dynamic range, the TGC curve or time gain compensation, as well as an auto gain button. The second menu for grayscale imaging is called filter. The first has frame averaging, the second SRI or speckle reduction imaging, and then different gray maps that the user can choose depending on their own preference. The final menu for grayscale imaging contains a multi-focus function, a frequency choice function, and the ability to place a center line in the image. To initiate color flow, press the color flow icon. This will bring up the color flow menu and show the color scale bar. To change the imaging depth, slide your finger up and down on the depth scale. To place the focal zone, simply tap on the bar where you'd like to place it. Optimize the image using these controls. Increase or decrease your gain by sliding the bar up or down or tapping the ends. Dynamic range and time gain compensation are also altered this way. Press the auto gain apply button to bring it back to the preset. Tapping the expand icon will provide a full screen imaging. To perform a measurement, choose the measurement icon and then choose the type of measurement you're doing. Simply tap on the image to place the calipers. To add annotations to your image, choose text from the measure bar. Type in the annotation and place it where you'd like on the image. These can be deleted by choosing the trash can and hitting delete. Ending the exam will take you back to the patient list and show you the patient file containing exams and images. When reviewing, you can add to the patient's file, select an image and add an annotation or a measurement, save the image, and it will now be added to the patient's file. From the patient file, you can choose images or entire exams to be printed, saved to file, or emailed. We're back now to the home page where you can choose patient list and enter the next patient. Healcerion's Sonon series of ultrasound provides truly mobile imaging. Please don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or comments. We'd love to hear from you.